Case before the court, what's going on?
Well, I'm here to put Daddy on child support.
That's his name, Daddy?
Well, that's what I call him.
Okay. Right. Oh, right. So how many children do you and... I'm sorry, I'm not going to refer to you as Daddy. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Dave.
Dave. Mr. Dave. You're putting Mr. Dave on child support.
Correct.
Okay. How many children do the two of you have?
We have one.
Okay. And what's the backstory? Like, was he not paying?
What began as a casual fling has now landed in court. Miss Martinez enters the courtroom, determined to secure her child's future. The man she once trusted is about to face a harsh reality, and the judge isn't here to play games. What really happened during their short-lived connection? Stay tuned.
And what's the backstory? Like, was he not paying? I mean, what was going on?
Okay, so we met a while ago in my hometown. He actually works in a position where it allows him to travel a lot. He just so happened to be in my hometown, and we kind of met at a bar. We kind of had a few night stands, something like that. And we kind of got an arrangement to where he would basically provide me with about $1,000 a week. You know, with a week, yes, a week. So with my allowance, it allowed me to begin to do my position as a stylist. And when I told him I got pregnant, he cut me off. And now he doesn't want to take.
It was supposed to be nothing more than fun, just a few nights and $1,000 a week. But once she became pregnant, the money stopped instantly. Now she's in court, not seeking revenge, but demanding responsibility. To him, was it just a transaction, or something more? Find out next.
Cut me off. And now he doesn't want to take care of our child. We already got a DNA test, and he knows it's his child. So I don't know what the problem is. So I'm here to put him on child support.
Okay, so you lost me at the $1,000 a week part. Was that for you only?
For me, you know, he was kind of looking for something that allowed him to have pleasure and, you know, have fun while he's in my hometown. And I was okay with that, you know, because that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want anything serious, like as far as, you know, commitment and marriage and all that good stuff. So we decided to just have fun. And now he wants to cut me off because we have a child together and he doesn't want to take care of him.
Okay.
She insists he knew exactly what this was. No love, no strings, just pleasure. But with a baby now in the picture, he's disappeared. She says he's avoiding responsibility. Is he a cold-hearted player, or simply terrified of fatherhood? The tension only grows.
Child together and he doesn't want to take care of him.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to address the $1,000 a week part because that has nothing to do with why we're here. I just want to know about the child support part. Is there a reason you haven't been giving her financial support for the child?
I never agreed to child support.
Okay.
I agreed to the fun part, and fun time's over.
So now that the fun time's over, the adult time begins, which is caring for the child.
I never agreed to have a child with her.
Okay, you probably didn't, but you guys were having fun and had a kid, right?
He wasn't complaining when he was up in there.
In a shocking turn, Dave admits he never agreed to fatherhood, only the fun. But the judge isn't buying it. Parenthood isn't optional once a child is born. His excuse is weak. Could it completely backfire? The courtroom heats.
He wasn't complaining when he was up in there.
Okay, so you guys had a child.
Well, there's no reason to complain, but yes, ma'am.
If we want to get into that, let's not start.
Yeah, please don't, because I don't think I have time for that today. I would have to, set aside some special time to hear all of this story. So we're just going to focus on the important part, okay? Now the child, whether you agreed or signed up for child support, you have a child. You need to take care of that child financially.
Your Honor, I would like to say something. I don't want to make this personal aspersion on her character. How do I know that's my child?
Well, you already had a DNA.
When the case seems nearly settled, he throws another curveball, questioning the child's paternity. But the DNA results already prove the truth. He's the father. The judge isn't amused. Is this desperation, or just denial? His credibility is falling apart.
How do I know that's my child?
Well, you already had a DNA test. It's been confirmed that you're the father. You forgot about that?
Evidently, it slipped my mind. Yes.
Oh, okay. You're probably having too much fun. But again, you have a child now, and you're going to pay child support. So, Let's get some information from you. How much do you make a year?
I make a good year up around 108.
108,000, okay. And health insurance, who carries the child on health insurance?
I
He
carry.
does.
Okay. And how many children do you have besides this one?
I have 2 children.
2 children, okay. So we can give you credit. Well, how old are your children?
He makes over $100,000 a year, but forgot one thing: he has a child. The judge makes it clear, the fun is over, it's time to step up. As the child support numbers roll in, reality hits him hard. What's his reaction when he sees the final amount?
2 children.
2 children, okay. So we can give you credit. Well, how old are your children?
They're not in the house. They're adults.
Okay. That wasn't my question. How old are your children?
How old?
Yes.
One's 30, one's 35.
30? Okay. So definitely none under the age of 18.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
All right. So let's do some math here. Looks like your gross comes out close to $9,000 a month. Your net is about $6,436.81. That gives you, well, giving you credit for health insurance. And you said how much was it?
Health insurance about, I think it's around.
She's already raised 2 kids, so why is he acting brand new? As the judge calculates and finalizes the support payments, he squirms in his seat. Is he pretending to be clueless, or simply refusing responsibility again? And then, health insurance comes into play.
Health insurance about, I think it's around 200.
Okay. So I'll give you credit for the health insurance that you carry on the child. That will bring your child support obligation to $1,287 per month. And that's all he has to pay.
I'm okay with that. I mean, it's like a cut to me, but it's fine. I mean, I got my business. I can take care of my child, but I just didn't think it was fair for him not to have an obligation to our child.
I definitely agree with that. He definitely has an obligation to the child in terms of what you all may have going.
The total, $1,287 per month. He's shocked, but she insists this isn't about money, it's about fairness. The judge agrees. But is it really over? Or is one last secret about to be revealed?
He definitely has an obligation to the child in terms of what you all may have going on in fun times. That has nothing to do with me, and I can't do anything about that.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes, make it quick.
I have another life besides this life. I have 2 wonderful kids, a wife, and
Wait a minute.
I need to focus on that life.
Wait a
I don't
minute.
need to focus on this life.
Did you just say you were married?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does your wife know about this one?
Just when it seems done, he drops a bombshell. He's married, and his wife doesn't know about the child. The courtroom gasps. Miss Martinez is finished playing nice. How long can he juggle 2 lives before it all collapses?
Your wife know about this 1-year-old?
If this is televised, that might be a factor later on, but at this point, no.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
you were literally at my house yesterday.
Okay, well, you know what? You guys are not going to fight in front of me. So
Sorry.
what we're going to do is, do you have any more questions?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions pertaining to your child support? Not anything else. No fun time, nothing like that.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Truth explodes. He was at her house just yesterday. His double life is exposed. The judge restores order and delivers the final word. He will pay child support. Case closed. This isn't just about money. It's about choices, consequences, and truth.